You've now clicked on our page for trucking accidents. You can tell from this page that our firm has vast experience in representing injured people or those who have lost loved ones through the negligence of truck drivers and trucking companies. We've used experts who are very familiar with the state and federal laws and can easily explain to juries why this accident happened and why the decedent or why the plaintiff is entitled to money damages. We're also very experienced in presenting catastrophic injuries and to show the juries not only what you've experienced in the past, but what you're likely to experience in the future so that you're properly compensated. So when considering a firm to represent you or a loved one in a trucking accident, please weigh these factors, and we hope that you choose our firm. Thank you.